In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Ehlers Cyber Cycle Indicator in TradingView Pro, quick and easy. If you're brand new to TradingView or you've never used this particular indicator before, don't worry. I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. First, make sure you're logged in to your TradingView account and you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. The process is exactly the same. Once your chart is up, look towards the top of the screen for the Indicators button. It's usually near the middle of the toolbar. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This opens the main Indicators and Strategies window, which is where you can search for and add all kinds of tools to your chart. Inside this window, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click directly into that search bar so your cursor is active there. This is important because TradingView has a huge library of indicators, and the fastest way to find the one you want is always to search by name. Now, start typing Ehlers Cyber Cycle Indicator into the search bar. As you type, TradingView will begin filtering the list below. Keep an eye on the results panel and look for the Ehlers Cyber Cycle Indicator in the list. Once you see it appear, simply click on it once. The indicator will be added to your chart automatically, usually in a separate pane below your price chart. At this point, you should see the indicator lines showing up. To fine-tune it for your trading style, you'll want to open the settings. On the chart, move your mouse over the indicator's name in the list on the left, or over the label on the indicator pane. You should see a small gear icon appear. Click on that gear icon to open the settings window. Inside the settings, you can adjust things like the inputs and the visual style. Take a moment to explore these options. For example, you might change line colors or thickness, so it's easier to see against your chart background, or tweak any parameters the script offers to better match your strategy. When you're happy with your changes, click OK or close the window, and those settings will be saved for this chart layout. Finally, if you haven't signed up for TradingView Pro yet, and you want access to more indicators and layouts at the same time, make sure to use the link in my description to sign up. That way, you can get the most out of the Ehlers Cyber Cycle Indicator and your TradingView setup overall.